Good morning. Welcome to the 12th annual Dania Beach Antique Motorcycle Show featuring vintage bicycles. We got a bunch of bicycle collectors here and they're showing off their different bikes. Some are restored, some are original. Having a lot of fun, drinking some beer. Come see us every year at the same time of the year.
He barks and smiles. Handmade by me, welded. Yeah, we got the Bud Light going. Dilly, dilly, dilly. Everybody knows what dilly, dilly is.
Now they do, anyway.
Almost everybody.
And the front legs here.
Yep, and I call this the dog bike.
Okay.
Let's give another smile. And here, let's not forget this bike.
Okay.
I just finished this bike for my grandson. I call it the Spider-Man bike, and he loves Spider-Man.
Oh, that's perfect for
He
him.
loves them.
Nice.
Got a little spider on there. You get that little spider, look at him.
Swin started making these bikes in 1968. They had the first one, the orange crate. They have an orange crate, pink figure, which is green, lemon filler, which is yellow, gray goat, which is gray, white, cotton nigger, and the red is young. And I've owned it for quite a while. Like an example, the motors, the Maroon motor made by Mattel, they came out in 1965.
We're doing some donuts today, man.